are instructions for preparing surface or cell phone for application of MicrobeCare treatment. It's basically a 1, 2, 3 step process. First, prepare the surface by cleaning or wiping with a microfiber cloth to remove any biocontamination visible. Then with a microfiber cloth, shake the MicrobeCare spray bottle first, and then spray and wet down the surface of the microfiber cloth. And then completely wipe the cell phone with the moist microfiber cloth. Allow it to dry 5 minutes. And then wipe again a second time.